Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Locky Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 chapter number 23 Linear Graphs exercise 23A question 5. Points A -2, -1, B -2, 3 and C -6, 3 are three corners of a square ABCD. So basically we have been given with the three vertices of a square A, B and C. Plot the points and find point D, give coordinates of D. Okay, we have to plot all of these 3 points and then we have to find the fourth point, which is D. Okay, so we are all aware that in a square there are 4 points, as we can clearly see. Okay, so similarly you're gonna take the graph, as you can see here, right? We have all the axes marked and the numbers ready, right, to save up time and energy. Now take the first point, -2, -1, which is A. Look here, as I told you, the first number represents number or the point on the x-axis, the second number represents it on the y-axis. As you can see, -2 on x-axis, -1 on y-axis, -2 on x-axis, -1 on y-axis. So here the point will come, as you can see, -2 on x, -1 on y. So this point just below -2 that I have written, okay, you can circle this up and this is your point A, okay, which is -2, -1. Is that clear? Now see here, we have another point here, point B, -2, 3. Okay, so point B is -2, 3, as you can see here. Now -2 again on the x-axis and +3 now on the y-axis, that means over here. Okay, this point you can again put a dot and then circle it. This is point B, -2, +3. Okay, now see here, right, now the point C is what we're going to mark. Okay, -6, +3 again, right, -6 on the x-axis and +3 on the y-axis, that means this point here, right? Okay, you can put a dot again around this and then just circle this up. So this is point C, that is -6, 3. All right, so all the 3 points done. Now we have to find where does point D lie. Okay, where we will find point D, that is the fourth point. So what I'll do, right, points ABC are three corners of a square ABCD, plot the points and find point D. For your easier visibility, right, I will join all 3 points. Okay, it's not needed, right, but you just need to do it like this. We'll join them like this. Okay, we still don't have another point, so we can't complete the square. Now think yourself and look at the distance between each point, because we know in a square all the sides are of equal length. So you can see distance between point B and point C is 4 blocks. Okay, and the distance we are taking is always perpendicular, that means at 90 degree. So you can see the distance is of 4 blocks, right? And since each block represents 1 centimeter, so the distance between them is 4 centimeters. But we are not going that deep, just see it here on the graph, 4 blocks between B and C. Similarly between A and B, you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 blocks here also. That means perpendicular distance from A and from C, it should be 4 blocks, 4 units, right? And it should be the same point, as you can see. Let me show you. We are going perpendicular, that means this line we are going to take, right, just at 90 degree angles with point C. 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be over here. Now from A you count perpendicular this way. Okay, perpendicular to A like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So same point is where we are landing at, this one. This is point D. Now you can see it yourself as well when you will join the point D with the other 2 points that are there, right? This is C and then we'll join this with A as well, right, like this. So you can see all the points joined together, they form a square. the distance between each point is how many blocks? 4 units, right? 1 2 3 4 units, 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 right? Or you can say centimeter, because each block here it is representing how many centimeters? 1 centimeters. Okay, so basically this is point D, so we have to tell the coordinates of D. You can see on the x-axis point D is at -6, okay, -6, and on the y-axis point D is at -1. Okay, so you can write down that the coordinates of point D, right, are what? -6 and -1. Okay, that is the final answer. Okay, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like in this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.